Our goal is to find out what this value is. Okay, so in order to do that, we got to find the big one here, xz, and then subtract xy. Okay, now how do we find xy? We have the angle, right? It's going to be 40 degrees actually, right? We have the adjacent side, and that's the opposite side. So if I use tangent of 40, the opposite side is yx, so the line yx over 85.3. Okay, so then multiplying both sides by 85.3, and we can find out how long this is. Okay, so we're going to leave it as exact values for now. So leave it like this. Right, and now we know that this is 48 degrees. And again, this huge thing, right, zx is going to be the opposite side relative to the 48 degrees. So tangent of 48 is going to give me zx all over, right, the adjacent, which is 85.3. So zx is equal to 85.3 times tangent of 48. So to find the length of yz, right, what you have to do is take the big one, so zx, and subtract the length of the smaller one, which is yx. Okay, so plugging in this and this and subtracting the two, you end up getting this.